For the last 2-3 weeks we were staying in this beach town called Weligama and south of Sri Lanka, and we took just time for ourselves, did some beach life, surfing, just sunbathing and stuff like that, and driving around, eating very nice food. So yeah, we are leaving tomorrow, last day here in Weligama, and I decided need to show you around to show how the town looks like, and then the beach and everything. So yeah, let's take a quick tour. So it's time for morning exercise. So I usually leave Yeva here, and it's very long beach. So she takes a walk, and I go further to my surfing place. So this is the main road, like a coastal route of the town. Like there are a couple of main roads. There is another one parallel to this one where it's like a bus station and all the shops. And that's our surfing place. We took some surfing lessons, and they were cool. It's like 9 hours for $75, and we learned a lot, but just need a lot of practice. And we rent the boards here, but they don't have one with the GoPro mount, so they're gonna go have a look. Maybe they'll find. And there we go. We got one with the mount. That's beautiful. Thank you. By the time I fixed everything up, Yeva already came.
Did you had fun?
Oh, I did. But the waves are a bit smallish.
Yeah.
There you go, surfing done, exercise done. Yeva took a walk, did some sunbathing, and it's breakfast time. What time is it? I don't care what. 10 o'clock, breakfast time. We go back to our place, and they do breakfast as well, and breakfast is included, so we better get going. And that's the main street with all the shops.
That's lovely.
And that's what we eat every day. Omelette with some vegetables, really nice crispy toasted bread with butter, and juice for me. India already finished her fruit plate. And our chocolate pancakes with a slice of mango, probably?
Yes, looks like
yeah,
mango.
looks like mango. there are different options as well. You can like banana pancakes and well, all kind of stuff. Is just we order always the same. Just it's simpler. It's still very good.
The difference with these pancakes here, they add a bit of turmeric, so that's why it gets this like yellow color, and it's made with coconut milk instead of regular milk, so super light and delicious.
Bon appetit. Here in Sri Lanka, everywhere you go for food is amazing and affordable. But we found one place where the value is just unbelievable and the food is also amazing. Let's go take a look. It's a little bit less touristy area behind the railway tracks. There you go. This one is like juice / ice cream milkshake bar, and they do these amazing submarines. And beside there is a little shop of our friend. We used to live just down the road in an Airbnb for a few days, and we used to come here for some snacks and sweets. And the guy here also recommended those submarines for us, so we tried and we can't get enough of them. There you go. So they have a small and big version of the submarine. That's a small version, that's 250 rupees, which is like 70 euro cent, and there's a bigger one for 350 rupees, but they're both amazing. So good. So good. Chicken, onion, lettuce, tomato, mayo or some similar sauce, ketchup. It's just so juicy, so nice, so soft and crispy.
Wow! I never seen Julius this happy. Yeah, this one here is a coconut cake. It's a local coconut cake, is it?
Yes.
Did you say there is
homemade and everything?
There is some like a special name to it?
Oh, it's calling dodal. Dodal. Locals are calling dodal.
Dodal. So, and it's made with coconut, milk,
Coconut and rice flour and oil and jaggery.
It's very nice.
Yeah, we'll take this piece, with us, and I'll take something else from you. Shopping.
Oh, pasta?
No, it's like this sugar.
Yes. Muruku. So it's time for lunch, and we are going to our favorite place here for rice and curry. It's a really good place, 5-star reviews only, and it's like 15 minutes ride by scooters, like a nearby town, but it's definitely worth going. I'll show you now. We had a pretty big rain here for a couple of hours, and now it's middle of March, and almost every afternoon it rains. Mornings are usually fine, but afternoon there would be like 1 hour or 2 hours heavy rain, which is fine. It's still warm though. It's a little tricky to find this place because Google doesn't know that this little road exists. So it takes to another place just across the railway track. And also there isn't much signage, so you kind of have to know that it's there. Hi.
Hi.
You mean like a long time to cook everything, or how long do you cook? It's okay.
Is this the jackfruit?
Yes.
Wow, that's amazing.
So that's the place. The food is already coming. We had a little match of chess/checkers, like a checkers game with chess figurines. And in the meantime, My favorite is lime soda, really good. And Yeva's favorite is passion fruit soda, also really good. And that's the traditional Sri Lankan red rice, papadum, dal. You always get dal with rice and curry dish. And this one here is jackfruit curry. We pre-ordered it today. Yeah, it takes longer to cook, but usually if you come, just if you drop in during the daytime, not at dinner time, they prepare it just for you. Like it takes maybe 30-40 minutes, but you have everything just fresh, super fresh. So we have everything now.
Coming, no?
More coming. Chutney coming. Okay, so rice, jackfruit, dal, lentil dal, and that's eggplant or aubergine curry. And that's potatoes. And also mango chutney is coming. Yeva's favorite.
Yes,
she loves it. It's amazing.
So good. Yes. Spicy and sweet. Perfect combination.
But can't eat because one dish is still coming and Yeva has to take a picture of all of them. So waiting now. And normally if you come in the evening, they have already like a buffet. All the dishes cooked here, and you just come and serve yourself. And usually when we come, we eat either tuna or chicken, but now today it's for us is veg only, special order. So the jackfruit is like, if you wouldn't know, you would think it's chicken. It looks like chicken, so soft, and yeah, it's amazing. You don't need any meat. Eating rice and curry here, fantastic. Oh guys, it was so good. So good. Yeah, and we are so full now. And the dish itself, the food, it's 1,500 rupees per person. And as I understand, it's eat as much as you can. But what's good about this food, that even if you really eat as much as you can, you still feel pretty good. It's not too heavy, it's really light. Eat. I feel that I can't take any more, but I still have energy. Like normally after some other food, I would go, to lie on the bed for half an hour or so to kind of take my energy back. But no, after rice and curry, I feel really good. And yeah, brilliant spot, brilliant lunch. Or dinner. Well, lunch slash dinner. We usually eat only breakfast and lunch. Because when you get lunch this big, you're good until the next morning. Good value. So we came now to the place called Karu's Kitchen. That's the place where we took cooking classes, traditional Sri Lankan cooking class, and it was amazing, really. What an experience. You can check it out on Yeva's channel. But when we did the class, we mixed like a curry spice special like mix from from like all different spices. We made a blend and we grounded it and roasted it. So it's proper homemade thing. And we said, can we maybe get a bag of it, to take back home? So because if you want to cook, like lentil dal or something at home, we wouldn't be able to source easily all the ingredients required for the spice mix. So we just asked Karu to make us a bag.
Wow.
Look at that.
So
That's
nice.
the best spice packaging I ever saw.
Yes. Wow, Karu, you're
That's amazing.
Really. Wow.
Just a quick stop in the fruit shop. So many different things here that they have. Yeah, I got a taster, a mango. It's good.
Amazing.
Now you have to buy it. Watermelon and pomelo for 750 rupees. It's around €2. And that was our room. for the last 1.5 weeks maybe. A little bit of a mess, but that's us. It's super clean when we arrived, and good air conditioning, super good. Works very fast, and everything's really nice. With a little view through the window, coconut palms, and nice big window, nice bright room, and they have a lovely rooftop and pretty good restaurant, very good restaurant on the ground floor. The breakfast is amazing, we love it really. And for the room, including breakfast, we are paying €20, which I think is really good value, really comfortable room. And yeah, good location and everything. The only thing in Weligama, maybe the biggest downside, that doesn't feel to be too walkable city. It's small, but I don't know. We don't like walking here. You know, there are no footpaths, or footpaths are not everywhere. You know, of course, you're gonna go for a walk on the beach, but in the town, if we need some to go for food or for groceries, we just take scooter. So for the whole time we had a scooter, and we still have it. We need to return it tomorrow, but the scooter costs 2,200 rupees per day, which is like $5-6 or €5-6, depending on what's the exchange rate today, because it's changing quite fast. And yeah, that's it. It was a nice day, but season in this place, in this town, is going to the end. The rains are starting in the afternoon now, and the weather is now better in the eastern part of Sri Lanka. So everybody's now going there, and probably in 1 month the season will be over here. And yeah, we are going to another town called Gol tomorrow, and gonna spend there a couple of days. We'll look around. It's a little bit bigger town. It's like, I think, 30 kilometers from here. So yeah, so I'll see you from there. Thanks for watching, and ciao.